Just woke up, brushed, got ready, and we are going. Such a coincidence. The আমার top actually simply লেখা ভালোই হলো আমারই top. Crap. Anyways guys, remember, if you are going for a street shopping something, then you need to dress up. You need not to dress up like a diva this time, because then people are going to charge you a lot. So guys, I'm finally making the street shopping video, and guess where I'm going? So this time I'm going to Goria Haat, and I am so excited because it's been 2-3 years যে আমার ওখানে যাওয়াই হয়নি, because I shifted to Mumbai, and before that I used to go there like crazy, and my face went familiar to the shopkeepers. I don't know about now আমার face মনে আছে কিনা, obviously not because I'm not a diva, but anyways I am so excited and we are going to do a lot of shopping. So today my sister is going to travel with me, and you can see the ghost out there. Anyways, so guys, আমি একটা important জিনিস I always forget to mention this in my videos is that if I'm going somewhere, then obviously I'm going with precautions. I am having my mask with me, and then we are having the car sanitizer, and our car is fully sanitized. So
I am so excited that we are going to do shopping after a lot and go for street shopping because I love street shopping, and then I am so excited again. I'm getting ready. Anyways, see you there. Ta-da.
Now, if you are one like me traveling in a car, then I think that taking the Ma flyover will be the shortest and the best way to reach there. This is the Goria Haat market located in South Kolkata, and you can find what not in this market. The market is having a large varieties of winter clothes, cardigans, sweaters, blazers and what not. Just check the price. It starts from just ₹50. You can find a lot of variation in the colors of the sweaters too, and guess the rate. The rate only starts from ₹100 to 200 bucks for all sweaters, and isn't that crazy? So there was this lady spotted by me who does this embroidery on any piece that you bring onto her, and there are also shops selling anarkali, salwar kurti and pieces like this too. Now moving on there, we found some amazing clay jewels and other accessories. Now you can also buy puja stuffs from this shop, I guess. There's this huge shop selling footwear starting from just ₹50, and the footwears are having so much variations and footwears are so much trendy. Now beside this shop you also find a shop selling accessories, ladies accessories, like you can find clutchers, rubber bands and oxidized earrings, jewels for sure.
So guys, I have finished my shopping for today and we shopped a lot. We guys did too much hard work today and 4 ঘন্টা ধরে আমরা শপিং করেছি and I am so excited, so let's go home quickly and I will show you. I'm very excited to show you what I bought. And বাড়ি যেতে almost 1.5 hours, বাড়ি যেতে almost 1.5 hours লেগেই যাবে, so let's go quickly and I'm so excited to show you all these things that I have bought. So bye. So guys, I am way back to my home and I'm shooting the next day because previous day I was so much tired, so I didn't shoot. So I'm shooting this today and I'm so excited to make you see all the outfits that I bought from Goriahat market. So starting off with my sweaters first. So this is the first sweater that I bought and this is a brown colored sweater which is having this design or pattern, what you call it, throughout the garment, and this is a stretchable fabric, and the most important part of it is that it is neither too skin fit or not too much oversized, which is amazing because I can style it in so many different ways. And guys, I will just give you 1 minute to guess how much this costed me. Guess. No, this costed me for just rupees 200 bucks, and I think which is crazy. The shopkeeper first said that it is for rupees 300 bucks, but then we bargained and we gave 200 bucks. I think the most important thing that you have to learn before doing thrift marketing is that you have to learn how to bargain, because if you can't, then there's no use to go and shop from a thrift market. So coming off to the fabric part is that the fabric is stretchable, as I have already said, and the shopkeeper said that this is 100% woolen, which is not, and he cannot make fool of a fashion designer. So I can literally tell you just by touching that what fabric it is made up of. So this is acrylic, and acrylic is also a very soft and lightweighted fabric which is used as a substitute of woolen things and also used to fool people. So this was the first sweater that I bought, and yeah. So the second one is this sweater dress, which is very simple and solid color. So first assumption pe people will say that this is a jute fabric, because that is what my mom said. It is looking like a jute bag, also known as chote bag in Bengali. And on the second assumption, people will say that this fabric is woolen, which is again not true, because again this is acrylic, my friend. And coming to the cost, this is again 200 bucks. This is again for 200 bucks, and I bought it from the same shop, and I think which is great because even if you buy this type of sweaters from brands like Forever 21, Zara, H&M, Ajio, Amazon and all these stuffs, then also the fabric that you get is not woolen, 100% not woolen for sure, but then you still invest. So I think according to that it is doing great. And coming to the style of the fabric, this is turtleneck, sleeveless and skin fit, which allows me to style it in 101 ways, and I am so excited and looking forward to style this particular outfit. But there is a small defect that I have got while washing the fabric. Before, it didn't come in my notice even while buying it, because I'm a kind of person who before buying anything I would love to spend 5 minutes in just seeing the outfit, whether it's got any defect or not. But somewhere I lacked, and this proves that you have to be more and more careful, and you cannot blame the market, because that's a thrift market after all. You need to be more careful. So the third and the final most sweater that I bought from there is this one, which is again brown colored. So now you guys can imagine how much I love oddly colors. So this is again brown colored sweater. By the way, this sweater costed for just rupees 150, I think, which is crazy. This is great because getting a sweater of this cost is amazing. And this was one of the sweater which while buying I was not really convinced to buy it. I only bought it because of the pearl detailing that is going on. It is kind of giving me the old aesthetic kind of vibe, so I'm really looking forward to style it. Now I bought this peach colored polyester knitted top which is deep. The neckline is deep and the fittings is so well. It fits me really well and it hugs me from everywhere. It costed me for just rupees 100. Can you believe it? This is crazy. And this is the most important part of this one, is that you can not only wear it in winters but also you can wear it in summers, because these are the basic classic pieces that every girl in their wardrobe must have. And I am just loving how simple this one looks. Now this top is the favorite one among all the tops that I bought, all the sweaters and all the tops that I bought. I am really loving the beadwork that is going on around the neckline, and the sleeves, these are known as the balloon sleeve, which is great. And this top is amazing according to me, and I definitely love the color. So this costed me for just rupees 100 again, and yeah, I am so excited to style this one. So the last one is this trouser that I bought. This is dark peach colored, and the fabric, this is pure polyester, and it costed me for just rupees 150, which is great. And it is high-waisted, which is the most important thing, because they say that the trousers are high-waisted, but when you come back home you try, they are not, and your crotch area looks pathetic. But with this trouser it didn't happen at all. This is perfectly fitted and this is a great trouser, so I am going to style it in so many different ways. The last thing that I bought from there is this belt. Can you see this? This is such a statement piece, and if styled properly with any type of garment, it just enhances the whole outfit and it makes the outfit look so much polished and rich. So I'm definitely going to style it up with any of the outfits that I have bought. I am so excited. I saw it and I bought it. And the last most thing that I bought is this scrunchie. The color scheme is going with the clothes that I bought from there, so I bought it. And this is a cute piece basically. By the way, the belt costed just rupees 30 and this costed for rupees 50. This proves that Goria Heart also has a stock of accessories and not only clothes, so you can also go there to buy accessories like this stuffs and also jewelry stuffs. By the way guys, I am going to make a separate video in which I will style all these outfits, and I'm going to show you like how you can style. I have shown you how to purchase things from a thrift market. Now I'll teach you how to style them so that it can look so much nice, sober and classic at the same time. So I am really excited to make the styling videos. So till then, take care. Bye bye.